Alright, y'all witnessing, you know what I'm saying, the black redneck. Finally getting everything up here to my, to go ahead and load the, to go ahead and make a little shelter. Charging up the old school Jeep. I'm gonna turn that bad boy into just the rally car. And got all the tools up here finally. Plenty of MREs. My little test. Definitely got skeeters. My little test range, you know what I mean, to see how well the bullets do. You'd be surprised. I'll show y'all some more videos, but you should be surprised about this little Dodge Ram. She holds her own. She do. But yeah, we finally got everything up here. Stocking up on water and whatnot next trip, so. Alright, I gotta go ahead and unload this wood off to the side. Get a couple more tools, pickaxe, so on and so forth. But it's going down. Y'all witnessing the beginning. Right now, as you can see, it ain't nothing. I just took an unknown piece of land and staked my get damn flag. Say I didn't. Motherfucker, I die for this. I done my get damn things. Finna bring my folks in some bitch. What? That's P. Pablo, so don't think I said that. And my nigga P. Pablo. P. Pablo. Alright, I'll let y'all go while I do this. Yes.